Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tesla emblem. First, gather your necessary tools. You'll need a heat gun or hairdryer, some plastic pry tools, and a good adhesive remover. Also, make sure you have your brand new Tesla emblem, complete with its strong adhesive backing. Working in a clean, well-lit space is super important for a smooth process and a perfect finish. Now, let's get that old emblem off. Start by gently heating the emblem with your heat gun or hairdryer for about 1 minute. This softens the adhesive, making removal much easier. Then, take a plastic pry tool and carefully begin to lift one edge of the emblem. Work slowly around the entire emblem, applying consistent, gentle pressure until it completely separates from the surface. With the old emblem removed, proper surface preparation is key. First, use your adhesive remover to thoroughly clean the area, ensuring no sticky residue remains. Next, wipe the surface with an alcohol prep pad. This removes any oils or contaminants, creating an ideal bonding surface. Finally, use painter's tape to carefully mark the precise location for your new emblem, ensuring perfect alignment. It's time for the grand finale. Carefully peel off the protective backing from your new emblem's adhesive. Align it perfectly with the tape marks you made earlier, then press it firmly onto the surface. Apply consistent, even pressure for at least 30 seconds to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Finally, remove the painter's tape and step back to admire your beautifully refreshed Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.